Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you add references very easily in your manuscript. Actually, let's take an example. This is a paper. As you can see that IEEE follows a strict uh, format for declaring the reference, and here, as you can see, there are many things you need to consider. That this is the author, writers or authors of this paper, and which journal it has published the paper, and also the volume number, and which number and page and year and month. So many information you need to include by manually, but so we need to consider many things when you are writing the reference. Now these all informations are already available in the Google Scholar. In the Latex, if you just copy paste some codes, then you can uh, use the references. Now here, as you can see, that this reference includes many efforts from you, right? That these all information you need to get from here. Now if your reference is some problem, or that if you miss something in the reference, sometimes it happens that the reviewer might reject your paper. So you should be very careful about the reviewers comments. Sometimes reviewers do reject the paper if you do not have the proper formatting for the particular journal which you're writing to. So I will show you now that how can you add references very easily in the Latex. So first, you need the cite package, this one, to include. This cite package will actually cite the reference which you are referencing, and then you can add some two other commands like this one, bibliography ref and bibliography style IEEE tran. This is the IEEE transaction style, and this ref is the file name which you want to this file actually contains the references you want to refer. Okay, which means that this file you need to make by yourself, including the files, include the references which you want to cite. Okay, that's a bit not confused. I will show you how to do it. Okay, for example, say you want to cite this paper. Okay, now this paper, what can you do? You can go to the paper site and then get citation, and then you can get some files and then copy paste, right? So instead, that you can do, this is a site. Actually this is a site option, as you can see. So this is a site, just click on it and click on bib text and copy these all information. Okay, then copy this all information and then you just put it here in this reference. I already put two references for here. Just copy and paste here and save it. Okay, so there are three references in this file, this ref.bib. Now this file is residing on the same folder which I have the template. Okay, so as you can see, this is my main file of the Latex, and I have the images here. Previously I have showed you, and here is the reference. Okay, so this reference file is like this. If you open here, then you can see this is three references. So which references you need, you just copy and paste it here from the Google, like as I showed you. So if you do that, then it will build a database. It will build a database of the references which you want to include in your paper. Now it's very easy to cite one paper. Okay, now for example, let's took a subsection here. This is the subsection. This is the conclusion, and then before subsection. Okay, let's cite a paper here. So you have to do /cite, and then you will have the paper name. Okay, so this paper you want to cite. Okay, just enter and you are done. So this paper will cite by you. Okay, and now you will say F5. You will see that it will automatically generate the file for you. And see, this is the reference file. Everything is well formatted. You don't need to do anything. It's very easy. So not writing anything, you just copy the code from that here and paste it here. Then you can easily do the formatting, and all the latex will do for the formatting for you. As you can see that it's properly formatted. You don't need to do any other formatting for this. It is already formatted as the paper wants. So what you're going to do is that you need actually three things. One is the site package, this one, and you need this bibliography ref and bibliography style. This style is different for journal to journal, and this style you can get from the journal. If you are using some journal to journal others journal, then they will provide you this style that they have their own referencing style. And this file, this ref, it whatever you want to name it, you can do it. But remember one thing, that you must provide this file inside the same folder so that it can find the ref.bib file. Obviously you have to save it .bib. This is the format for saving the bibliographic file. Now then after that, when you create this file, you just open it here, and then you just copy pasting the references which you want to refer, just 1 2 3 4. It doesn't matter you have to put it in order or something like that. No, not at all. You just put it in a random sequence, and it will be lining, or the numbering will be due by the Latex from top to bottom. That means from introduction to the conclusion. So it will start from introduction, that it will find the number 1, then it will just refer number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, like this. Once it have done all the numbering, that means you have run the file once, then if you add another reference in the introduction side or any other side, then it will not change the number. That means once you have run the file, then it will not change, then it will go after. Okay, so it will go after that one. But if you change the bib file and delete it and add it again in the section, in that case you will get the proper order. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like that. So it's a very easy way to add references in the IEEE formats. You can try it here. Just use this site package and use these two commands, and it will easily create for you the references ready as the format wants. Hope you have understand the video. Thank you for watching.